If you want to make a group email in Gmail, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it using Google Contacts. This is a great method if you email the same people often, whether it's for work, school, family, or a team project. Instead of typing every email address one by one, you can create a contact label and send group emails much faster. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. This is Google Contacts, and it's where you can organize people into labels that work like email groups. Once the page loads, sign in with the same Gmail account you use for your emails. After you're signed in, look at the left-hand side of the screen and click on Labels. This is where you can manage and create groups for your contacts. Next, click Create Label. A small box will appear asking you to name your new label. Enter a name that makes sense for your group, like team, family, clients, or classmates. Once you've typed the group name, click Save. Now your label has been created, but it doesn't have any contacts in it yet. To add people to the group, go to your contacts list. Here you'll see all the contacts saved in your Google account. Select the contacts you want to include in the group by checking the boxes next to their names. Be sure to choose everyone you want in that email list. After selecting your contacts, click the label icon at the top of the page. This lets you assign the selected people to a label. From the list that appears, choose the label you just created, then click Apply. Once you do that, those contacts are now grouped together under that label. The next time you want to send an email to the whole group, just start a new message in Gmail and type the label name into the recipient field. Email will recognize it as a contact group, making it easy to send one email to multiple people at once. This saves time and keeps your communication organized. If you want, you can always come back to Google Contacts later and add more people to the same label or create new labels for different groups. That's the full process for making a group email in Gmail using Google Contacts. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.